Good morning, bench seekers, car show lovers. Sunday, July 19th. Orcutt Donut Derelicts, only the true radicals are showing up today because everything's happening at Pioneer Park. I'll head over there myself in just a minute. Do a quick look who showed up for the Derelicts before we head on over and check out the Mad Bomberz. It's the usual cast of characters. Morgan T4, 59 Ford F100, custom built, ground up, hydraulics, engine, bed, all kinds of details on that thing. Another Ford F100. It's got the hood open, 1953. Love that engine, man. Getting the job done. The old Crow Speed Shop. And then my favorite, this thing, Fat Iron Fred. Love those flames. Built this in his garage by himself. Pretty wild, all tubbed out. Beautiful rear end on that thing. Gotta like that. And El Caminos. Everybody loves the El Caminos, of course. Machines. Badone, thank you for your service. You'll always like this one. Go Ford, closed engine look. Like that, keeping it clean too. Little Brock, that old coupe style. No helmet required either. Gotta like that. Sweet. And a newbie shows up. Derelicts. 67 Jeep Commando. Love that stance. Love those rims and tires, man. I want it. It'll climb anything. So watch out if you got a VW Beetle. Well, use you for traction in this thing. V6 Jeepster Commando. Oh, got the winch on there just in case you get yourself into any kind of trouble. Nicely done. You have some fun in that thing, man. Like 1959 Porsche, as old as I am and looking a lot better, that's for sure. 1600 cc's, a very cool 60 horsepower, top speed's 102. Wow. An extra 3750 in 1959 to get you this color. Aeratorium green, optional, factory. That is one beautiful Porsche. Keep it looking good. Like that. Old school yellow Pontiac Fiero. GT action. I know, it's pretty rare. There's not that many survivors. It's a nice ride. Right, 1952 Studebaker Champion. Champion of them all. I love those lines. Love those curved back windows. The old Studi. Still running. 6 volts even. All original. Cool. All right. Stay tuned. Pioneer Park action.